boys and girls, and welcome to GIVÄON Guitar. GIVÄON, Lie Again. Very, very easy to handle and play this song. That is great. So let's start right away. No need for any cape on this one. 4 chords. So let's start with the chords. G first, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Next is A minor 7. Open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so we have one strumming pattern that goes through the entire song, and we will play and start with G. So when you have that, let's look at one round of the strumming, which will be down, 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 clap, down, down. So pretty easy. 3 downs, 1 clap, and then finish off with 2 downs. That is one round. Sounds like this. Down, 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 clap, down, down. Yeah, and for all these chords through the entire song, we will play 2 strumming rounds per chord. All right, so let's start with the verse. You will play G 2 rounds, C major 2 rounds, G 2 rounds, and C major 2 rounds. So that is the first chord part, the first verse. Let's go. Back to G, and C, C. Yeah, so that's the first verse. Pre-chorus 1, Lie So Sweet, starts with A minor, 2 rounds, and goes over to D. That's it for the pre-chorus, so pretty easy. A minor, 2 rounds, and D, 2 rounds. And then follows the chorus, and it goes in the same way as the verse. 2 Gs, 2 C, 2 Gs, 2 Cs, and that is the chorus. Then comes an interlude, and that is, again, 2 Gs and 2 Cs. That takes us to the second verse, and from now on, there's nothing new to this song. It goes in the same way as the first verse, and then comes a pre-chorus, number 2, same way as the first one, and it finishes off with the chorus, nothing new, like I said, played in the same way as the first chorus, and an outro. You have an outro of G 2 times, C 2 times, G 2 times, C 2 times, and then it kind of fades out after these 2 alternating rounds. So that pretty much covers GIVÄON's Lie Again. So a quick one. Hope you enjoy it and play tuned.